Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away.
Hi guys, welcome back to Disney with the Gregorys. Today I'm going to be filming a pack with me video for our upcoming Disneyland Paris trip. So let's see what I'm going to wear. So what I've done is I've laid everything out on our bed that I think I want to take to Disneyland Paris, and then what we're going to do is we're going to pack it all in our packing cubes, and this is the case we're taking. So it's just a small carry-on case, and me and Simon take one of these each. So our task is to make everything fit in the case. So for travel day, and I've got a notepad and pen here just in case I forget anything, I need to write it down. So for travel day I have packed my 30th anniversary ears, which I'm going to team with just a plain t-shirt, jeans and my Mickey hoodie that I got from Primark. So that's going to be just a comfy travel day outfit because we're driving and we're going to go on the Eurostar, and I think that would be really, really nice to wear. For day two, I've got another sort of set here, so we're going to go for the 25th anniversary gold and black ears, and then I've got a new t-shirt that I got from Primark. So this is a nice kind of Christmassy forest green, just with a gold Mickey on the front. I thought that looked quite nice. We've got breakfast at Plaza Gardens, so I'm going to wear this outfit, and then I've got my Disney skirt that I got in the fashion shop. So that's kind of like a see-through mesh, so I do have to wear tights or some sort of black shorts underneath just to make sure it's not see-through. And then I've got some tights here to wear with that as well. For the Saturday, I've got a bit more of a festive outfit going on. So I've got some ears here which are from Etsy, so I will link those down below. And I've also got a pink pair I'm actually wearing, so you would have seen in the intro. And then I've got here a Disney, and I think this was from Asda or Tesco's, or possibly even Sainsbury's. So it's a festive Minnie Mouse, just navy blue t-shirt with the glitter and sequins. And then I purchased this last night, so this is from Asda, and it was £20. And yeah, so £20 from Asda George, and it's a light up Disney jumper. So let me see if I can get it to light up, and I'll show you. I'm not sure if you can see it there, I think you can. So I'm going to be wearing this jumper with just a pair of black or navy jeans, and either my Skechers or my Timberland boots, just for extra comfort and in case it's cold. For our travel home day, I have just got a really, really old sequin mini jumper and my 30th anniversary ears. And again, just going to put those with some jeans, probably my trainers because it's going to be easier to drive, and just be really comfy, cozy. And I've also got a thermal long sleeve top to go under that just in case it's really chilly. I've also got my new Primark festive pyjamas here, so this is the top, so it's almost like a little bauble, some Minnie and Mickey are sledding in it, and then a Disney Christmas design long trousers. And then I'm also going to just pack a couple of, oh, everything's fallen on the floor. I'm also going to pack just a couple of spares. So I've got just a plain red Mickey t-shirt and my grey Disneyland Paris jumper, just in case it's cold, I want to change in the evening or something. I've got something as backup. So I've also got my toiletry bag here. So I've got my little, because I'm a lady, Marie bag, which I always take with me. Face wipes, because they're just really convenient. Heat spray for my hair, for my straighteners, razor blade, nail file, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, day cream and night cream. And what I also like to take with me is some of these Nescafe 2-in-1 sachets, and I find it really easy just to use those in the hotel when sometimes you just got a kettle and water. And I take a travel mug with me as well, so I'd like to take one into the park in the morning. I've also got my makeup bag, which I've managed to get everything into. So in there's just my primer, foundation, concealer, mascara, eyeshadow, and a lipstick. So that's all tightly compact in there and ready to go. I'm also taking my straighteners. I'm also taking my hairdryer, just because I've got really long, thick hair, and the hair dryers in the hotels just don't dry it. It's just not good enough. I'll take my hairdryer, and I'm also going to take my gas tongs, because I have got electric ones, but I just find that they give me a really tight curl and it takes ages to fall out, and just sometimes I want just like a nice wavy curl, and I find that the gas tongs do a really good job, and then I can leave it in overnight and in the morning it looks really nice. And I've also packed my little mini bow for my hair, and I'll link that down below because it's also from Etsy. So I've just got a few bits of outerwear here. So I've got my nice winter scarf, which I really like, and it's so warm. And I've also got this kind of more sheer neck scarf, which really does keep you warm, just tucked into a jacket. I've also picked up these matching mini gloves and hat sets. So the hat was £10, the gloves were £8, and they're from Asda George, just with a really, really sweet Minnie Mouse design, and I believe they're on sale online at the moment. I didn't get sale pricing, I paid full price in store, and then came home to see them on sale. And I'm also just going to pack my rain mac, just because I just find that really easy to pack up, put in the bottom of my backpack, and I don't have a huge coat if then I'm too hot. But I'm also going to take my winter boots as well as my Skechers, just so I've got enough options, just in case it's really cold, and I really have a really nice kind of fleece lining inside, so they're really warm, so I'm going to take those as well. So you've seen everything that I'm going to wear, so now we've just got to try and get it in the cases. So I'm going to put you on the tripod and let's see if I can do it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to try and use this old toiletry bag as a bag for my ears. I've seen actually you can buy them online, but this is what I've got, so let's just try and see if we can fit them in. So let's just lay it in the bag, Kate's there, and let's just see how many we can fit in. So I'm just going to try and pack them in as best as I can. Maybe let's turn that one upside down. And then there's also a pouch the other side, so let's see if I can do this. This one's a bigger one on this side, so hopefully I'll be able to get the others in there. Oh yeah, I was taking 5 pairs, but now I'm not, so that's fine. So this isn't going to be able to fit in my case, so I'm just going to have to keep this on the side for now. So let's just pop that over here. And then what I've done is I'm just going to put it all in one big packing cube. So these are on Amazon. I don't know if they've still got these ones, but if I can find it, I'll link it online. That's one packed case, and I've got my pack of ears which can go in the car as well. And then what we'll do is we'll quickly just move over and just look at what I've got in my backpack. So currently in my bag I've just got a fold up bag which is from Primark, my annual pass, and my purse with all our euros. So I'm going to put those in there as well, but I'm also just going to put my rain mac in the bottom. Also just going to put my gloves and scarf. I will take the tags off, but just for now. those in, hairstay back in, pass. Simon will have the passports in the car, foldable shopping bag. And then, as I said, my boots will go in the car. I'll be wearing my trainers. And then what we'll do is we'll just pack my scarf and bits in the car as well. Hi guys, Simon's just editing this video and realised I didn't film an outro, so that's everything that I've packed for Disney. So I've got my backpack, my suitcase and my bag of ears, and in case you're wondering, I will be packing some underwear as well because Simon was slightly concerned that I'd only packed socks. So we'll get all that in the car on Thursday when we're going to Disney, and we'll show you it all packed in the car in our first travel day vlog.